One of the easiest way of cracking UPSC prelims examination is mastering the PYQs. The reason is question setters, they repeat the PYQ themes. Now your objective should be to identify those PYQ themes which have very high chance to come in the UPSC prelims examination 2025. How can we do that? We can do that by linking the PYQs to the current affairs. In this video, I am going to discuss a very important PYQ and I am going to explain to you why this PYQ theme is going to come in UPSC prelims examination 2025 very high chance. Let us see the PYQ, guys. Which one of the following groups of items are included in India's forex exchange reserve? So guys, you can see forex exchange reserve basically includes what? It includes foreign currency assets, gold holdings and SDR. These are the three things which are there in the India's forex reserve. Okay. So guys, why is this topic important? Let me just show you guys. So there has been some important changes in our forex reserve composition. Guys, you can see here the share of gold in India's forex reserve have doubled in last 6 years. This is a very big development, guys. Gold prices are rising throughout the world, and the reason is central banks are buying golds. Why they are buying golds? Because they are diversifying their risk of foreign reserve assets away from dollars. Guys, de-dollarization is going. So guys, most of the foreign central banks, they are buying more gold, and that is why guys, composition of gold in the foreign reserve is increasing. You can see here they have given a graph. In 2019 gold comprised 6.7% of the total foreign reserve assets. Now you see it is around 11%. This is very very important. Okay, so you can also see which country or which foreign central bank has the highest gold reserve. It is US. You can see here 75%. So this can come. They may ask you what is the composition. They have already asked you what is there in India's forex reserve. Okay, now they can ask you what is the composition. So guys, what I have done is that I have prepared an Optima flashcard. Okay, on this you can see here as of March 2025, foreign currency assets are 85%, gold is 11%, and SDR is 2.8%. SDR is also favorite topic of UPSC prelims examination. So I have prepared an Optima card on this. You can go through this Optima card. This question has very high probability to come in the UPSC prelims examination. This year they are going to ask you the composition. Okay, they will ask you, okay, foreign currency assets first, second gold, third SDR. They can ask you to rank. Okay, because they have already asked what is there. Now they can ask you to rank, or they can ask you the trend, which is rising, which is falling. So gold has been rising and foreign currency assets has been declining. So you can see how I am linking the PYQs with the current affairs and predicting important questions. Guys, you can practice all these important questions in my most important practice questions. Guys, please do take this test. These tests are really very useful. You can telegram me on this number and get these tests. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.